Welcome back to 100 English Collocations for the Modern Workplace. I'm Daniel, and this is Emma. Today, we are knocking out 3 massive workplace phrases in one episode.
That's right. We are covering how to talk about your schedule, your daily tasks, and how you handle issues. Let's jump right into a quick quiz. Imagine your boss wants to talk to the team tomorrow. What does she do? Does she do a meeting, make a meeting, or hold a meeting?
The answer is hold a meeting. In English, we don't do a meeting. We hold a meeting, which means to organize or conduct an official discussion. Exactly. For example, we need to hold a meeting tomorrow to talk about the project. Or casually, you can just say, I have a meeting at 2 p.m.
Next up, you and your team are building a new website this month. It is your main focus. Are you jobbing on a project, making a project, or working on a project?
The answer is work on a project. We always use the preposition on when we talk about spending time and effort to develop a specific assignment.
Love that. You can ask a coworker, what are you working on today? And they might reply, I am working on a project for our new client.
Last one for today. A customer is unhappy because their software isn't working. You help them and find a solution. Do you clean the problem, fix or solve the problem, or close the problem?
Yes, it's fix a problem or solve a problem. Both are excellent collocations. Fix is slightly more casual, and solve is a bit more formal.
To reassure your boss, you can say, don't worry, I am going to fix the problem right now. Or in a big meeting, we need to brainstorm to solve this problem.
And that is how you sound like a pro when talking about meetings, projects, and problems.
Drop a comment below using one of today's new collocations to practice, and we'll check your grammar. See you in episode 3.